I want to book a flight ticket. I'll actually do it right away. But do I think it is the right time to do it tomorrow? I think weekend is the best time. चलो बाद में करते हैं, क्या फ़र्क पड़ता है. Hello everyone, welcome back to my another video. This is Sonali Belikar. Today we are going to discuss about 7 ways how to win over procrastination. Let us understand what procrastination means. It is delaying or postponing the things. Initially, we delay those things which we do not like. Slowly, a habit is developed where we start delaying important things and the things we like doing it. Why, friends, these things really happen? We need to really find out what is the reason behind it. You need to deeply study on this and find the root cause of procrastination. Procrastination can low down your confidence, and at times you have ability to do the things but you may not be able to achieve it. Let us find out different ways how to overcome the procrastination. First thing, at times your strength may be the weakness of your friend and your weakness may be the strength of your friend. So find the right accountability partner. If you start monitoring the things, it will give you fantabulous results. Find a buddy, find a partner who can help you, find a friend who can help you to achieve over this habit. Second point, if you are making goals, if you are making certain decisions, goals can be broken down into smaller goals. If you have larger goals, break down into smaller goals. Take a break between two different goals. It will help you. Getting started is very important. At times when you want to achieve something, that initiating thing is very important. Once you get started, you will gradually do the things. What is more important to avoid the procrastination is start reporting. If you jot down your things which you want to do right in the beginning of the day, rather one day before, your subconscious mind will help you to complete those things. Find out what are your distractions, because if you are able to find out the distractions, then you will be able to avoid those. Conducive atmosphere is also very important to get the things done in a right way. It is said, eat that frog first, means to do that thing which is hardest, and if you do the hardest thing first in the morning, you will have lot of time available with you where you can enjoy doing those things which you actually love doing and like doing. And also most important is it will avoid the stress. Procrastination doesn't come all of a sudden. There are certain or different things, aspects which are associated with it. But in a longer way, when you are able to find out what actually you will be losing if you will keep on procrastinating the things, then you will automatically also try to find out the ways to avoid it. Value is very important. Say for example, you are going for a gym daily. Initially when you take a membership, you may go for 1 week, 2 weeks with very much of enthusiasm. Slowly you will develop an attitude or a habit where you will think, ठीक है, I will bunk it for 1 day. क्या फर्क पड़ता है? What will really happen? Then in the 3rd week, you might go just for 4 days. In the 4th week, you might go for just 2 days. And gradually a day will come, you will stop going it. Friends, this is very easy. You will get a comfort for short term. You will be happy that yes, I will do it tomorrow. But this is a short term happiness. We don't want a short term happiness, right? कबीर जी क्या बोलते हैं, कल करे सो आज करे तो अब, अभी न किया नहीं तो कभी न होगा कब. It is important that anything which we will delay will give you a short term gain which will not help you to achieve your longer, bigger goals. It is said na, tomorrow never comes. Never anyone has seen that tomorrow. So avoid the things doing it tomorrow, do it today right away. Thank you. If you like my video, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel Also, you can share with your friends. Thank you.